This little piece of hardware is known as the telescoping clamp, and it's made so you can put a piece of 3/4 inch EMT conduit in the bottom, and you secure that with this Phillips head screw here that goes into a nut on the other side, and you tighten it down to cinch it down on this piece of 3/4 inch EMT, and then the top half is tapered a bit to allow you to slide in 1/2 inch EMT conduit, and then you've got this knob here that allows you to basically secure the 1/2 inch inside of there, and then you can loosen it and then you can slide it out. And this works really well, and it's really cool to see people use it in their projects. But recently we discovered that because this is an M6 hardware, it's the same as the connector hardware that well, the bolt is not the same, but it's the same M6 also as what we use for the connector hardware. But because this is M6, it's actually interchangeable with another maker pipe accessory, which is the quick clamp that we use to make quick release connections on connectors. And I'll actually show you a bonus hack here in a minute involving that. But first, I wanted to show you this because this is really cool. We're super excited about this. But essentially, you can unscrew the knob off of here and then take out the bolt that the knob is attached to on the opposite side. And then the nut that's included with the quick clamp that we give you fits inside of this hex pocket here perfectly. And you just slide that down in there, just like the head of the bolt was in there, but now we've got the nut in there. And then you just use the spacer and the quick clamp here and slide that in from the other side. And you just tighten this down all the way until it's fully tight. It'll take a second because it's kind of a longer bolt, but basically just thread this all the way in like this. And then once you get to the very end, you just squeeze this and rotate it enough until this is able to, slide in and out while this is open. But then once you, pull it out and get it to the desired location, you can then close the quick clamp and cinch it down, and you can orient this how you want, kind of against the pipe like that. And this creates a really strong connection that is super easy. You just have to open it to slide it in and out, and then close it to secure it in place, which is super cool. This is a really awesome hack, and we've made it available on the website now as a new variant where you can choose the telescoping clamp with the knob or with the quick clamp, or of course you could get the pieces separately and put them together if you want to have both on hand. But this is super cool. We're really excited to have found this because it's really helpful. Now what's really cool also is recently in a build that was shared for adjustable solar panels a couple days ago, or this past week, we also saw a hack for the quick clamp and the adjustable angle connector, which is a good combination to make an adjustable connection for an adjustable angle. So if you're making a leg, in his case for the solar panel stand, you can rotate that wherever you need it, and then close the quick clamp to lock that angle, or back down to change the different angle that you want. But you could combine these two hacks if you wanted to make an adjustable leg or something like that. So basically, if you just put this telescoping clamp on the end of your 3/4 inch piece that's coming out of your adjustable angle, put that on the bottom there, and then of course secure it with the Phillips head screwdriver, and then you can thread in your, or not thread in, but just slide in your 1/2 inch EMT in the top half, like that. And then you could make an adjustable, combine these two things to make an adjustable leg or an arm or something that you can just easily adjust with the quick clamp. So let's say you want to change the angle of this, you just open that quick clamp, slide this wherever you need it, close the quick clamp to lock that angle, and then you can open this quickly and drop this down, and you can put a rubber pipe foot on the bottom of this if it's going to be the bottom of a leg or something like that at an angle. But for different adjustability and quick release of that adjustability, these are really cool hacks that we saw recently from the community. So really awesome. Hope you guys love this one as much as we do. I'll link everything down below if you want to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.